Hi, welcome to the History Archives. My name is Talha. The Ottoman Empire was one of the mightiest and longest reigning dynasties in the world history. This Islamic run superpower ruled large areas of the Middle East, Eastern Europe, and North Africa for more than 600 years. The chief leader, known as the Sultan, was given absolute religious and political authority over his people. While Western Europeans generally viewed them as a threat, many historians regard the Ottoman Empire as a source of great regional stability and security, as well as important achievements in the art, science, religion, and culture. At the start of World War I, the Ottoman Empire was already in decline. The Ottoman Army entered the war in 1914 on the side of the Central Powers, including Germany and Austria-Hungary, and was defeated in October in 1918. Following the Armistice of Mudros, most Ottoman territories were divided between Britain, France, Greece, and Russia. The Ottoman Empire officially ended in 1922 when the title of Ottoman Sultan was eliminated. Turkey was declared a republic on October 29, 1923, when Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, an army officer, founded the independent Republic of Turkey. He then served as Turkey's first president from 1923 until his death in 1938, implementing reforms that rapidly secularized and westernized the country. The abolition of Ottoman Sultanate by the Grand National Assembly of Turkey on November 1922 ended the Ottoman Empire, which has lasted since 1299. On November 1922, the Conference of Lausanne, the sovereignty of Grand National Assembly exercised by the government of Ankara over Turkey was recognized. The last Sultan, Mehmed VI, departed the Ottoman capital, Istanbul. The legal position was solidified with signing of the Treaty of Lausanne in March 1924. The Caliphate was abolished, marking the end of the Ottoman influence. After that, an army officer, Mustafa Kemal, founded the independent Republic of Turkey. After ruling more than 600 years, the Ottoman Turks are often remembered for their powerful military, ethnic diversity, artistic ventures, religious tolerance, and architectural marvels. The mighty empire's influence is still very much alive in the present-day Turkish Republic, a modern, mostly secular nation thought of the many scholars as a continuation of the Ottoman Empire. Thanks for watching.